is observed annually on 19th August, the anniversary of the 2003 bombing of the UN headquarters in Baghdad that killed 22 people, including UN envoy Sergio Vieira de Mello. The United Nations has designated this day as a special day to recognize those who face danger and adversity to help others. This day is also an opportunity to celebrate the spirit that inspires humanitarian work around the globe. Every year, the United Nations announce a theme for the entire year. The theme for this year is Inspiring the World's Humanity. All of us in the middle school learned about the World Humanitarian Day as a part of our lessons in English, History, Civics, Art, and IT. Grade 5 began with an English listening exercise on Humanitarian Day. They learned to draw and cut these beautiful doves as a part of their art and craft lessons. Their tutors told them stories about the work of humanitarian workers. They have written inspirational messages to inspire the world's humanity on these doves as a part of their craft lessons. Grade 6 also had a listening comprehension, and they wrote formal letters addressed to the principal to initiate various humanitarian efforts within and outside the school. They will also be presenting today's assembly. Grade 7 studied about citizenship and civics and learnt the true meaning of being a good global citizen. They watched videos of humanitarian aid workers and drew posters as an expression to inspire humanity. Grade 8 began by studying a chapter on the American Civil War and focused on slavery and discrimination that existed in American society. They explored the various forms of discrimination that exist even today in various parts of the world. They were encouraged to reflect on how they may have discriminated against another human being or may have been victims too. The grade 8 students have resolved to inspire humanity by encouraging mutual respect, self-belief, and self-confidence in fellow humans, and to not judge each other on unfair parameters. What they have been feeling very strongly about, they have chosen 3 issues on which they have drafted petitions. These are more benefits for the older people, action against female and infanticide, action against the use of derogatory and racist comments. Class 6 is now going to tell us what they have learned on Humanitarian Day.
The United Nations World Humanitarian Day is held on August 19 each year. The day honors all humanitarians who have worked in the promotion of the humanitarian cause and those who have lost their lives in the cause of duty. World Humanitarian Day was established by the General Assembly of the UN in December 2008 and was first observed in August 2009. The date of August 19 is the anniversary date of the 2003 Canal Hotel bombing in Baghdad, where 22 people lost their lives, including the UN's High Commissioner for Human Rights and the Special Representative of the Secretary General to Iraq, Sergio Vieira de Mello.
It aims to increase public understanding of humanitarian assistance activities. The day also aims to honor humanitarian workers who have lost their lives and injured themselves in the course of the work, and to acknowledge the ongoing work of humanitarian staff around the world.
Many communities and organizations try to increase the importance of humanitarians by distributing publicity and information material. Additionally, some try to speak to the press to help spread these key messages of World Humanitarian Day, while other groups organize public events worldwide that feature humanitarian work. World Humanitarian Day is a global observance and not a public holiday.
Humanitarians provide life-saving assistance to millions of people worldwide. They place their own lives at risk to help others in conflict zones and areas of natural hazards. More than 700 humanitarian workers have died or experienced the most dangerous situations while trying to help those in need. Humanitarians provide support for different world challenges such as hunger, gender-based violence, refugees and displaced people, help for children, as well as clean water and access to sanitation.
The total number of people affected by natural disasters has risen over the past decade, and about 211 million people are directly affected each year. Women and children are especially affected because of their ongoing struggles with poverty, insecurity, hunger, poor health, and environmental decline. There are new and difficult challenges that arise each year that will require more flexible funding and adaptable humanitarian work. The increasing economic crisis and global challenges such as poverty, global health problems, increased prices, and the rising number of people on the move increases the need for humanitarians each year. World Humanitarian Day does not have a logo because the day does not belong to the UN or any other agency or organization. The media document supports the day by capturing images that show people helping others that are in need of assistance. The world needs more
Love, kindness, care, peace, compassion.